Psychology says people with no friends aren't weird, aren't losers, and definitely not antisocial. In fact, they're often wired in a superior way, spotting fakeness from miles away, craving depth that shallow social scenes just can't provide, and prioritizing peace over pretend bonds. If you've gone months or even years without a solid friend circle, don't beat yourself up. Science uncovers 5 powerful reasons behind it, and spoiler, each one is a hidden superpower making you sharper, stronger, and more self-sufficient than the crowd chasers. Let's break it down. 1. You detect fake vibes instantly, like a human lie detector. If your friend count is 0 or close to it, you probably can't stomach posers, endless gossips, or those sly backstabbers who smile sweet then strike. Studies on emotional intelligence, like those from Yale's Center for Emotional Intelligence, show highly self-aware people sense inauthenticity in seconds, picking up micro-expressions, tone shifts, and hidden agendas your average person misses. Picture a group chat blowing up with fake concern while they're plotting drama behind your back. Social groups overflow with surface smiles masking knives. Your brain flags it all before you waste a breath. So you choose solitude over that toxicity, not antisocial at all. You're wielding a superpower of razor-sharp discernment, protecting your mental space like a fortress. 2. You chase real depth over fake crowds every single time. People with no friends aren't dodging relationships. They're ditching the shallow ones that drain without delivering. Research on social network dynamics, including Robin Dunbar's work on meaningful ties, proves deep thinkers prioritize quality bonds, maybe 3 to 5 profound connections over 50 superficial ones. You can't endure weather chit-chat, weekend plans, small talk, or those forced laughs at inside jokes you don't get. Nope. You tune out instantly. Instead, you crave diving into big ideas, what drives human behavior, the psychology of power, or what truly makes life pulse with meaning. Think late-night convos unpacking dreams or debating existence. Those are rare gems. Better to ride solo than fake it till you break. That's the superpower of unshakable standards, waiting for gold, not settling for gravel. 3. Socializing straight up wipes you out faster than most. Thanks to a high-sensitivity nervous system, what psychologist Elaine Aron calls the highly sensitive person trait, affecting 15 to 20% of us. Social overload hits you harder. You process everything deeply, subtle emotional cues, body language, unspoken tensions, even the room's vibe. Neuroimaging backs this. Introverts light up more brain regions during interactions, burning serious mental fuel, per studies in personality and individual differences. Extroverts party and recharge. For you, every convo costs energy. After a coffee meetup or family gathering, you crash, needing hours or days of pure solitude to reset. It's not people hate, it's smart energy conservation. Your superpower, turning alone time into a high-octane recharge station, emerging clearer and more creative. 4. You're self-powered, needing 0 external validation to shine. Folks with low social dependency, as self-determination theory from psychologists Dacey and Ryan explains, generate their own motivation, entertainment, and comfort. You solve puzzles solo, binge philosophy books, or build skills in silence, no audience required, while others fish for likes, claps, or your amazing texts to feel whole. You craft empires in your mind. Relationships, optional bonuses, not lifelines. This makes you seem aloof or hard to reach. But flip the script. It's unbreakable independence. Crowds dilute you. Solitude amplifies. Superpower unlocked. Total inner sovereignty. 5. Past scars built your unbreakable trust filter. Betrayals, childhood letdowns, or toxic entourages. They rewired you, as betrayal trauma research from Jennifer Fried shows. Your brain amps up vigilance, creating a trust threshold others must vault. Now you observe longer. Do they flake? gossip, manipulate, test passed, access granted, most fail. You've been burned, so you play cautious. High bar? Yes, but it weeds out users, leaving room for true allies. Superpower. Battle-tested intuition that saves you endless heartache. Having no friends doesn't mean you're flawed. It screams elite wiring. Heightened awareness sniffs out fakes. Depth hunger skips the fluff. Sensitivity fuels epic solos. Independence crushes dependency. Standards filter gold from garbage. The strongest minds often stride alone, building richer worlds inside. If this hits home, smash subscribe for more psych truths. Decoding your hidden edge. The next video might just reveal your ultimate superpower.